Reimagining DAM in one word would be inspiration. The one thing that I like most about this conference is the energy and the inspiration that is just flowing in the rooms.
Are y'all pumped?
It was a panel of amazing, competent, inspiring people. I absolutely loved it. I think the networking side is amazing, but of course the content, very inspirational from Photoware as well on the future of the dam.
Surrounded by people who speak the same language, so they understand what photometadata is. Not only that, but the different types of photometadata and the different schemas and mechanisms, and I really felt like I was here with my people.
Now is the most important time to really reimagine not just digital asset management, but reimagine content and reimagine trust.
I recommend people to come to this event who have an interest in content management. We've been speaking to media customers, defence and law enforcement, museums, and it's really interesting to hear their different perspectives on how they manage content in a world of AI and content authenticity.
I thought it was really amazing. I love to be here.